This is one of the greatest battles in our oceans. A sperm whale versus a giant squid. Who will win this ultimate showdown? Sperm whales are the largest of the toothed whales. They can grow up to 60 feet long and weigh over 100 tons. That's bigger than a school bus. Sperm whales can dive up to 3,000 feet deep and swim at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. Their teeth are not for chewing. Instead, they use their teeth to latch onto prey and drag it down into the depths. Their favorite food is the giant squid. Now we all know that giant squids exist because of giant squid versus angry sperm whale videos. But did you know that scientists used to think that these videos were fake? For a long time, scientists could not believe that giant squid existed. They first learned about giant squid from sailors. Sailors would tell stories of catching giant squid in their nets and seeing giant squid washed ashore after storms. At first, scientists thought that these stories were just tall tales. They thought that giant squid were just a myth. However, in 2004, a team of scientists captured video of a giant squid. The giant squid was over 10 feet long. This video proved that giant squid are real. Giant squid are very elusive. They live deep in the ocean where no light can reach. Because of this, there are very few pictures of giant squid. Most of what we know about giant squid comes from sperm whale poop. Scientists analyze the poop to find out what the sperm whales have been eating. By studying the remains of the giant squid in the poop, scientists are able to learn more about giant squid. Scientists also study giant squid by using cameras. These cameras are attached to robots that explore the ocean floor. Sometimes giant squid are found sleeping on the ocean floor. The robot can take a picture and then swim away before the giant squid wakes up. Giant squid have huge eyes. Their eyes are the largest in the animal kingdom. They measure almost 11 inches across. This helps them see in the dark depths of the ocean. They also have very big brains. Their brains are the largest of any invertebrate. Invertebrates are animals without backbones. The giant squid has more than 500 million neurons. Neurons are the cells that make your brain work. To compare, a human brain only has around 86 billion neurons. Because of their large size, giant squid have giant appetites. They eat hundreds of pounds of fish each year. Like I said earlier, sperm whales are the main food for giant squid. When a sperm whale dives deep into the ocean, it can sense the giant squid before it even sees it. You see, the giant squid releases a chemical called dimethyl sulfide. The sperm whale can sense this chemical with its nose. Then the hunt begins. The sperm whale uses its echolocation to find the giant squid. Echolocation is a way for the sperm whale to see in the dark. It makes a clicking sound. If you were a giant squid, you would probably be very nervous right now. The sound is so loud that it can be heard over a mile away. Luckily, the giant squid cannot hear very well. Its ears are very small, so the giant squid may not hear the sperm whale coming. When the sperm whale gets close enough, it lunges forward. It tries to stab the giant squid with one of its teeth. The giant squid is too slippery for the sperm whale to grab onto, so the sperm whale bites down hard. The two animals begin to fight. The giant squid squirms around trying to escape. It can move its tentacles at lightning speed. One of the tentacles wraps around the sperm whale's mouth. The other tentacles keep the sperm whale from biting down again. The sperm whale thrashes around in the water, trying to free itself. Finally, the giant squid lets go of the sperm whale's mouth. It swims away as fast as it can. The sperm whale is free. But the sperm whale isn't done hunting yet. It dives deeper into the ocean, searching for another giant squid. Sperm whales can dive for 45 minutes at a time. They can stay underwater longer than any other mammal. After a while, the sperm whale finds another giant squid. The giant squid doesn't know what hit it. The sperm whale grabs it and drags it to the surface. The giant squid is pulled out of the water. The sperm whale surfaces beside it. The two animals stare at each other for a moment. Then the sperm whale dives back down into the ocean. It leaves the giant squid for the birds and the scavengers. Even though the giant squid lost the battle, it still wins the war. You see, sperm whales need giant squid to live. If there aren't enough giant squid, sperm whales will starve. This means that the giant squid is an important part of the sperm whale's ecosystem. The giant squid may be hunted by the sperm whale, but the giant squid is also helping the sperm whale survive. Not all sperm whales attack giant squid. Some sperm whales prefer to eat other things. There are different types of sperm whales. There are 19 different types of sperm whales. Different types of sperm whales can be found in different parts of the world. Some sperm whales live in warm waters. Others live in cold waters. Some prefer to live in the Atlantic Ocean, while others prefer to live in the Pacific Ocean. Even though they live in different places, all sperm whales migrate. They travel from one place to another every year. They do this to find food. Giant squid are not the only food for sperm whales. They also eat smaller squid and fish. However, giant squid are their favorite meal. This is why sperm whales spend so much time looking for giant squid. A group of male sperm whales will isolate a female from the pod. They will protect her and make sure she is ready to mate. Once she is ready, the male sperm whales will compete to see which one of them can mate with her. Only one male will win. After she gives birth, the female will rejoin the pod. The male that sired the calf will leave the pod and find a new female to protect. Sperm whales can live up to 70 years. They usually give birth every 5 to 10 years. Baby sperm whales can be as long as 13 feet when they are born. That's as tall as a giraffe. Baby sperm whales can swim and dive with their mothers. They stay with their mother's pod for several years. During this time, the mother teaches her baby how to find food and avoid predators. Giant squid can also have babies. However, they don't give birth. Instead, giant squid lay eggs. A single giant squid can lay over 100,000 eggs. The eggs hatch into tiny baby squid. The babies grow up quickly. They reach sexual maturity in only 1 to 2 years. Giant squid only live for 3 to 5 years. So, who won the battle? Well, both the sperm whale and the giant squid won and lost the battle. The sperm whale got to eat, but it also had to expend a lot of energy fighting the giant squid. The giant squid got away, but it had to expend a lot of energy escaping the sperm whale. It's a tie. Click here to watch another exciting episode of Nature Quest. Which is bigger, a blue whale or a dinosaur? Click here. Subscribe so you never miss an exciting episode of Nature Quest. We have many more nature videos for you to watch. It's free, so why not subscribe? See you next time on Nature Quest.